NCM Learning Center. Good morning, friends. NCM Learning Center continuously providing the materials for GATE, IES, ISRO, TNEB, RRB, TRB, and other government engineering examinations. In this video, we will discuss how to calculate the output for the given sequence circuits. If the sequence circuit is given, how to find the output. In that video, I will solve the best and easiest approach. If you follow this concept, you can get this answer very clearly and it will be the easiest one. So we will discuss. Let me solve a problem. When we solve this problem, you can get these concepts very clearly. This is a synchronous sequence circuits because the clock pulse is common for all the flip-flops. Objective of the question is, initially present set QA and QB is 1 0. After 3 clock pulses applied, what will be the next state of QA and QB? Our objective is to find the output equation. If we find the output equation, it will be easiest one. So the first step is we go to mark the input. In the circuit, this is QA, this is QA bar. The bubble indicates the bar. Here QB. Here there is a bubbles. It indicates the complement of this Q. So T is taken from the QB bar. So J is connected with the QB bar. So J is equal to QB bar. What will be the K value? K is connected with the QB value. So K is equal to QB. What will be the T? T is connected with the QA. So T is equal to QA. This is the input. The second step is we have to find the output equation. Already we know the equation, characteristic equation of all the flip-flops, SR flip-flop, JK, T and D flip-flop. We know. Already we discussed. So the equations for the JK flip-flop is QA plus is equal to JQA bar plus K bar QE. For T flip-flop, QA plus is equal to TQB bar plus T bar QB. XOR gate. Substitute this input values in the equation, you will get the output equation. Substitute here QA plus is equal to, instead of J is equal to QA bar, K value is QB, so K bar is QB bar. Substitute T values in this equation, you will get Q plus is equal to T is equal to QA, so QA QB bar, T bar is QA bar plus QA bar QB. Okay. Now we have to find the output for after 3 clock pulses applied. So we try a table for easiest understanding. Here clock pulse, QA QB means just past output. That means present state. QA plus QB plus means just present output. That means next state. Okay. First clock pulse is applied. Initially the QA QB is here given 1 0. Initially QA QB is 1 0. After first clock pulse is applied, the output will changes. Substitute here this present state value. Substitute the present state value here. We will get the next state. QA is 1, so QA bar is 0. Here 0. This is 1. For the AND gate, if any one of the input is 0, the output will be 0. So totally you will get 0. Substitute here. QB bar means 1, Q means 1, 1. So we will get one answer. For OR gate, if any one of the input is high, the output is high. For AND gate, if any one of the input is 0, the output will be 0. Now substitute values in this equation, QB plus equation, we will get QB is equal to 1 because QA is equal to 1, QB bar is equal to 1. So we will get one answer. After first clock pulse is applied, the output will be 1 and 1. Now I am going to apply the second pulse. Now just past output is 1 and 1, this output. When we apply the second pulse, substitute this value here, QA and QB value. QA is 1, QA is 1, so here QA plus will be 0, 0. We will get the answer is 0. Apply the second QA QB values in this QB plus equation. you will get the answer as 0. So after clock pulse applied, the output is 1 1, and after second clock pulse is applied, the output changes from 1 1 to 0 0. Then what is the output for the third pulse? Before applying the third pulse, the output is 0 0. When we apply the third pulse, the substitute values here will get 1 0. So after third clock pulse is applied, the output goes to 1 0 from 0 0. So the answer is 1 0. Option C is correct. This is the easiest and best approach. Just if you apply the input here, after first clock pulse applied, what is output? After second clock pulse applied, what is output? Without finding the characteristic equation, it will be confuse you. So try to find the output equation and substitute this value. It will not confuse and it will be easiest to. Don't try to find the output without finding the characteristic equation. Definitely it will confuse. Mostly your answer will be wrong. Now do it yourself. The first question is asked in GATE 2021 Instrumentation Department questions. The second question is GATE 2018 Instrumentation Department questions. In the first question, input is already given. So the first step is over. Here J is equal to A bar plus B bar, K is equal to A plus B, TB is equal to A. For each flip-flop, the input is given. So directly go for the second step, find the output equation for the each flip-flops. Here, initial present state is 0, 0. Find the next state when the first clock pulse is applied. If the answer is 1, 0 after first clock pulse is applied, we may eliminate the option B and D. If the output is 0, 1 after the first clock pulse is applied, we may eliminate the option A and 0. Then find the output for the second pulse. We may eliminate the option 1 by 1. Then finally we can find your answers. From the option A, it tells that initially the present state is 0. When the clock pulse is applied, it goes to 1, 0. Then the second pulse is applied, it goes to 0, 1 from 1, 0. Then third clock pulse is applied, the output goes to the next state goes to 0, 1 to 1, 1. So find the next state values for each pulse, each clock pulse. What is the output changes? From that we may eliminate the option and we can find your answers. Okay. The same concepts for the second questions. The circuit is synchronous sequential circuits because clock pulse is applied. The clock pulse is common for all flip-flops. Find your answers. Just command your answers. The answer key is for the first question option A is correct. The second question option C is correct. If your answer is mismatched with the answers key, just command your answers. If you have any doubt related with the discussion, just post your doubts in our NCM Learning Center WhatsApp group. Okay. Keep learning. You can get good marks in the government examination. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for notification. Like, comment and share.